When you hear minestrone, do you immediately think Olive Garden? All you can eat? Breadsticks? If not, that's okay. Let's try it anyways.
Hi there, I'm Colin. Is this a cooking show? I'll leave it up to you to decide. Welcome to the new gourmet.
To create this chain restaurant staple, I start by dicing onion, quartering and slicing carrots, celery, and zucchini. I mince 2 cloves of garlic for that classic Italian pop. One of 2 substitutions I made was swapping lacinato kale for the spinach, removing the ribs and slicing the leaves. Chopped parsley, of course. My other addition was quartered mini Yukon Gold potatoes to give the soup some more texture, and because I had them sitting around. You can probably just throw any vegetable in the soup, honestly. Enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the Dutch oven, and we're good to drop our veggies. While those are sweating down, here's a view of my sink full of discarded stems and onion skin and whatever else that is. We're washing beans, both cannellini beans and red kidneys. No delicious bean juice in this recipe. While these sweat, did you know minestrone soup may date back to before the expansion of Rome? They threw locally harvested vegetables and legumes into a pot and cooked it all together for needed calories while they built roads or something? Anyhow, here's a can of petite diced tomatoes. Now we've got tomato paste, which in some recipes you add first so it has time to caramelize, but not at this Olive Garden. And the secret ingredient, quote, Italian seasoning, unquote, keeping it authentic. Once that's all melded, we add some vegetable stock and bring to a simmer. Does a watched pot boil in this case? Yes, eventually. Oh, and some pepper to taste. And salt. We've got a simmer. Now we're adding potatoes, the elbow pasta, and the beans. Stir that, then cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until things are tender. Now it's time to add the kale. That cooks for a few minutes to wilt, and presto, we're done with our soup. Spoon yourself a tiny bowl, sprinkle it with some grated Parmesan, and enjoy. This is the first and only recipe I've ever made where the prep time was accurate. It took me exactly 15 minutes to chop all those veggies. The taste, I have to say, this was much better than I expected. There weren't any fancy chefy tricks like browning the garlic or tomato paste. It was just a bunch of fresh veggies and some canned stuff and maybe 25 minutes on the stove, and it was great. Hearty, flavorful, healthy, everything. I'd put it up against Olive Garden's menu any day. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.